to turn it up.
Erkenci Kus TV series 2018 and 2019. English name Early Bird. Cast, real name and ages. Number 1. Birth name Demet Ozdemir as Sanam Aydin. Date of birth 26 February 1992. Present age 30 years old in 2022. Number 2. Birth name Jan Yaman as Jan Divit. Date of birth 8 November 1989. Present age 32 years old in 2022. Number 3. Birth name Oznur Saychiller as Layla Aydin. Date of birth 1st January 1987. Present age 35 years old in 2022. Number 4. Birth name Ozlam Tukaslan as Milkibe. Date of birth 13 November 1973. Present age 48 years old in 2022. Number 5. Birth name Bayan Tuja as Emre Divit. Date of birth 5 October 1990. Present age 31 years old in 2022. Number 6. Birth name Tuche Komral as Deran. Date of birth 19 March 1983. Present age 39 years old in 2022. Number 7. Birth name Chehan Irchan as Muzaffar Kaya. Date of birth 25 May 1984. Present age 38 years old in 2022. Number 8. Birth name Alal Chilik as Changiz Ozdemir. Date of birth 1st January 1988. Present age 34 years old in 2022. Thanks for watching my video. So please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share. See you soon for next video. Take care. Bye bye.